Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You stop and verify safety first. Make a visual and physical check that the magazine is removed and the chamber is clear. Once done, make sure you have the owner's manual and proof of ownership and check local laws or restrictions. Then contact a certified gunsmith or the manufacturer for explicit guidance. I will not describe step-by-step removal here. Instead, rely on professionals to avoid damage, injury, or legal risk, and follow their documented procedures. Once you've scheduled professional service, hand the firearm only to an accredited gunsmith or authorized service center and request a written work order. Make sure the technician provides a parts list, cost estimate, and notes on whether the change is reversible. Ask them to explain how function and safety are affected and to show any alternatives that maintain safety features. This approach ensures you get expert execution without risking improper disassembly or voiding warranties. After the work is completed, perform professional verification. Have the gunsmith demonstrate a function and safety check and obtain written confirmation of the exact work done. Keep all service records and receipts for legal compliance and future resale. If you notice any unusual behavior, noises, or resistance, stop using the firearm immediately and return it to the technician for inspection. This minimizes risk, preserves safety, and ensures any troubleshooting is handled by qualified.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.